Hi there, Robin here, and today we've got 3 out of the 5 sizes from Vtopmart. They're storage containers. They're excellent. They're food grade, of course, and they're easy to use. We're going to take a look-see at how we actually fill these containers up today. You can put a variety of food, dry or wet, of course. So the nice thing about this set is the actual containers being square and the fact that the actual units themselves have full gaskets on the inside, so it's not just a snap down lid and you hope it's going to be actual airtight or watertight. You're actually going to have a lid with a rubber gasket, and that's going to give you a incredibly tight seal. Just line up the cover to the actual container, snap down the 4 corners, and that's it. Job is done. Now they say it's watertight and airtight, so this way we're not going to have to worry about it. In this video we're going to pour in all the containers. We've got dry goods to go in everything, so that's what's going to be today's video. So we're going to turn this pile of chaos into something nice and organized that you can put in your cupboards and not worry about. Every time you take something out and put something back in, you'll always be able to tell what's in the cupboard. So the nice thing about actually having square containers is the storage capacity, because there's no wasted space by trying to line up round containers. This way you're going to get full use of your cupboards, because that's really what it's all about. So it's always a good thing to see how the actual plastic containers are. They're solid, but still flexible. The lids have some give to them a little bit, which is nice. And so if it gets very cold or very hot, you're not going to damage it because you've, bent it or pushed it too hard, or you put something in it that was too heavy. They seem to be very strong when it comes to that ability. So also note with the containers, this is a full set. So you're getting 10 of them and 10 lids. The important thing to note is that the 6 smaller containers are of course one size, and the medium and large containers are the same size. So you can stack the medium and large ones and they'll line up perfectly, and all the actual small containers can certainly line up on top of each other. This is really going to maximize space, because normally having a whole bunch of bags around, well, you can't stack that. It just piles up in the corner of the cupboard, and what are you going to do about that? And remember, we've been talking about the Vtopmart food storage sets. They're great, convenient, easy, and if you're looking to customize your set that you currently have, these are a great way to go. And so there we go. We've turned that entire mess of bags into nicely packed storage containers. Now this is easy enough to put away, and you'll always see what you have in your cupboards. Hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Bye for now.